welcome to the Rustic Belly, and today I'm going to show you how to make yellow rice. I am just going to come up with this right now because I'm making fish today, and I figured I'll make the rice yellow because it'll make everything look prettier. So we're doing this together. You got to experiment in your kitchen. I'm putting about a tablespoon of olive oil in my pan, and for rice you usually want to do 1 cup of rice to 2 parts of liquid. So I'm doing 1 cup of rice. So I don't want to have too much extra. And I'm going to toast this up a little bit. It tends to, you know, sometimes you make rice, it gets a little mushy or starchy. My mom told me to do this. When I make Spanish rice, she said, I asked her what happened. I was in college, and I'm, in college, and I'm trying to learn how to cook, and you call your mom, how to make this? Mom, remember you just make this? How do you, calling and asking questions all the time. And I told her, my Spanish rice came out starchy and mushy. She's like, did you toast it first? I said, I didn't toast it first. I didn't know I needed to toast it first. I have my water warming it up in the microwave here. See, and I almost put too much water. Good thing I said 2 to 3 parts, or what is it? 1 to 2, 3 to 1 part. So I called her, she's like, you need to toast it up. Put a little oil in it, like we did with the fideo soup when we toasted up the noodles so they don't get overly mushy. Same thing you do with your rice, okay? So we're going to toast this up. It's getting there. They start getting a little white first. And you don't have to make sure every little granule is toasted up on a big, don't worry about that. So you can add regular water to this, but I am going to add one of my favorite things ever, which is norsuisa. It's pretty much basically chicken bouillon. And it says to add 1 teaspoon per cup of water. I'm going to do 1.5 because I can always add a little bit more salt after. And I don't want to over salt my rice. Because you can always add more, you can't take it out. So it's really simple. Chicken broth. You can even use like a canned chicken broth if you like. A veggie chicken broth if you want to make a vegetarian yellow rice. And I'm also going to add a little bit of turmeric for color. This is what's going to give us this really pretty golden color to our rice. Let's go 1/2 teaspoon. Why not, right? We're doing this together. We'll figure it out, right? Look at this. See, it's already changing the color of the broth. So our rice is going to be a nice golden color as well. All right, so let's see if I got any golden kernels here. Not by that smoke. I'm going to add a little bit more oil. You can also add some garlic to this, which is really, really good. But I have garlic in the salsa I'm going to do with my fish, so that's why I'm not going to go too crazy on the garlic, which is really rare for me. Can you see it, babe?
Keep it up.
It's getting there. It's getting there. It's going to take us a couple minutes. We're getting there. Should we come back, or should we just what other stories can I tell? Actually, I'm going to teach you how to make this Spanish rice version, which is so yummy. We made chicken tacos, which are also very delicious. There will be upcoming episodes. But today we're just doing the rice. Alright, I think that's good enough. We got some toasty ones in there. Like I said, they all don't have to be toasted because they will be here for 6 days. Alright. I'm going to add my water, my broth actually. Careful, this part gets very, 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 very warm. And also don't get turmeric on your clothes because it will never, ever, ever, as Taylor Swift would say, ever, ever, gonna come off your clothes. So watch out, step away, please. Okay, we boil profusely. Take it off the heat if you have to, don't stress over it. Put this to low. Get it back on the stove. Cover. Do not peek. Do not peek. It's very tempting because I say don't peek. You're going to want to peek. Don't peek for at least 20 minutes. I'm putting my timer on. There we go. I can learn how to work my microwave. 20 minutes should be good. Don't peek. When 20 minutes comes by, when 20 minutes goes by, we'll come back. All right. See you in 20. Hi, we are back to check our yellow rice, which I did check it in 20 minutes and it needed about 5 more minutes. So for the cup of rice, do it for 25. It's a lot safer. When you open your rice, open it away from you, because if not, that steam is going to burn the crap out of your wrist. Another helpful hint from my mother, Mary Lou. And get your rice and you just fluff it with a fork. Look at that. See that pretty color? Love it. You have a great side dish. I'm gonna serve this with my halibut, so watch that episode. And this can be served with chicken, fish, meat, pork, anything, or even veggies on top of it. Grilled vegetables will be really delicious with this. So thanks for tuning in on Making Yellow Rice.